Hey, Bitty Witty. I love you, Bitty Witty. You're very cute. You're a very good boy. I love you. I love you. Is that yummy? Is that your dinner tonight?
Felix Gravy Lover. Delicious meaty chunks served with extra gravy. Your little rascal will find it good to the last slur. Clever cats get Felix
Bitty
Gravy
Witty.
Lover.
I love you. I love you. Hey, Bitty Witty. Hey, Bitty Witty. I love you. I love Bitty Witty. I love you, Bitty Witty. I love you. Yes, I do.
8 limits on some travel insurance policies. Call Coda Insurance to open up your travel dreams again.
Okay, guys, so Buddy has started to grow his flight feathers back. So he's really feeling a lot more confident now when he flies. And I'm kind of trying to retrain him to go into his cage because it's been really hard, hasn't it, Buddy? You don't like going back into your cage at night. So it becomes this whole big thing, and then he doesn't like it, and then that impacts our relationship, doesn't it, mate? Yeah, so I've got the cage here. This is the opening. Can you see that? Just there.
Gambling can impact anyone. Be aware.
There it is. So I've set this all up. I've got this here to try to coax him back in. Come on, Buddy, Buddy. He really doesn't like it. Come on, Buddy. Yeah. Good boy. He's very smart. He's very smart. Yes, he knows exactly what I'm up to. You know exactly what I'm doing, don't you, Buddy? He knows exactly what I'm trying to do. He's very cute. He's just enjoying eating my collar. Does it taste good, Buddy? Is that yummy, yummy? Do you like the texture? Maybe we should turn this news off. It's a little bit depressing, hey? Yeah? It's a bit depressing, Buddy. We don't want to hear this stuff. We just want positive things, yeah? We just want to hear positive. Yeah, you're so cute. You're very cute, Buddy Woody. I love you. I love you, Buddy. I love you. 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 Yes, I do. Alright, let's turn this TV off. Alright. My hair, it's looking very wild, isn't it, Buddy? I've got this hardcore mousse that gives my hair body, but just gives it a bit too much body, I think. Anyways. Hey, Buddy. Hey, Buddy. Hello. You're very cute. Yeah, you're very cute. Did you miss me today? Did you miss me? I love you, Buddy. Yeah. Thank you, Buddy. You're very cute. Am I going to eat my hair now? Yeah? Good boy. Good boy, Buddy, Buddy. You're so cute. Yeah. Mwah. You're a handsome boy. Yeah. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you, Buddy. I love you. I love you. We've got to make the Buddy Wuddy song. What did we do last night? Went buddy waddy, I love you. Buddy waddy, yes I do. Buddy waddy, I love you. Buddy waddy, yes I do. Buddy waddy, I love you. Buddy waddy, yes I do. Buddy waddy, you're so cool. Buddy waddy, I love you. I think we need to work on that a little bit, don't we, mate? Should we work on that a little bit? Do we need to work on that? You're very handsome. You're a handsome boy. You're very handsome. I love you, buddy. I love you. I love you. I love you. Yes, I do. I love you. Yes, I do. Buddy waddy, I love you. Buddy waddy, yes, I do. Buddy waddy, you're so cool. Buddy waddy, I love you. Buddy waddy. I'm thinking, God, that bird's like music. So if I make up a song, then he'll remember it easier. Buddy waddy, I love you. Buddy waddy, yes, it's true. Buddy waddy, I love you. Buddy waddy, yes, I do. Buddy waddy, I love you. Buddy waddy, yes, I do. Wow. We're really getting crazy now, aren't we? We're getting crazy, crazy. Buddy waddy, I love you. Buddy waddy, yes I do. I've been putting chili in his food, and then when he kisses me on my lips get hot because like spicy, like burny hot because of the chili seeds he's been eating. He doesn't feel it though. Birds don't have the whatever it's called. Do ya? You can't taste the heat. You just taste the yummy food, the yummy flavour. Yeah, so at the moment, we're trying to train you to go back in your cage. Don't you jump up on my face, mate. We're trying to train him to go back on his cage, but you really don't like it, do you? You want to come over? Watch this. I'll show you what he does. Watch this. Make sure you can see it. I can't actually. Alright. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Ow. He's biting me now. Come on, buddy. Yep. Nope. Come on, buddy. What about if I give you some food? Come on. Ow. Buddy, no. Don't bite me. Ow. Buddy. I love you, buddy. It's pretty peed off. Ow. He's pissed off because I even just tried to. Good boy. Come on. It's alright. What about if I give you some yum yum food? Can I bribe you with food? How about I bribe you with some food? Will you have some food? Are you hungry? Is that why you're so angry? I bought this amazing spray millet. It's like really different. Oh, here we go. Are you hungry? Here we go. Are you hungry? Interesting. Come on. Are you starving, Marvin? Interesting. Interesting. Come on. Good boy. This is very successful. Good boy, buddy. So I've changed everything. I've actually don't have any food outside the cage anymore. I'm just putting it on the inside so that he can have positive vibes with the inside of the cage, meaning food, so I can get him in there. It's been really hard to get in, and he's really, really spidey. I also weighed him, and he's too light. So he's only 33 kilos. Hasn't put on any weight in the last maybe 6 weeks. But he's grown a lot. Good boy, buddy. You come here. Come on. Can I get you in the cage? Come on. Come on. Come over here. Come on, buddy. Good boy, buddy, ready? Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. You are so good. Look at your beautiful colours in the light. You're so pretty, buddy. Yeah, good boy. Come here. I've also got some Nutriberries he really likes. But they're really hard, so I need to pull them apart. Don't know, buddy. You really need to go in the cage more. Come on. I'm going to put these here. Come on. So he's attacking me now. He's trying to bite me. Sorry, buddy. I'll give him a Nutriberry because he's been a good boy. You've been a very good boy, even though you've been biting me. Okay? Yum. Come on. Why are you angry at me? Hey, I've got no idea how to read you. He's very upset right now. Good boy. Why did the light go off? Good boy. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Straight up on the light. When it goes off, he's up there. That's okay. Come on. Yum, yum. Good boy. As you can hear, he's not happy, Jan. Come on, good boy. Come on. Good boy. Oh, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Come on. Come here. Yum, yum. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come here. Come on. Come on, buddy. You're not very happy, are you? Why are you not happy? Why are you not happy? Come on. Come here. You're just starving Marvin, aren't you? Okay, what about this? Wow, you actually ate. I know what you want. I'm going to give you these. He loves these. Watch him, watch this. He's just going to lose his crap right now. Look at him. Okay. Watch this. Is that what you wanted? Ow. Good boy. You're very hungry. Good boy. Yum yum. Good boy. How about if I come over here? Come on. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Yum yum. Yum yum. Come on. Come on, buddy, ready? Come on. Come on. Good boy.